right, guys, we're back at it again. Craig at howtopest.com. Have you guys ever heard of Dominion? This is Dominion 2L. So let me start by telling you the sizes this comes in. This comes in a little over 27-ounce bottle, and then it comes in a little over a 2-gallon bottle. The reason I love this product so much, and yes, I use this product, you guys that use Taurus, you guys that use Termitor, they're fipronil, right? So this is a imidacloprid, if I'm saying that properly. So two different chemicals, but you're getting that same non-repellent. So it makes this really great for a termicide, which it is, but also for ants. And this is what I love this for. So when I have an area that I can't use fipronil, or I have times of the seasons that we're not allowed to use fipronil, then I go to Dominion. And this is why it's fantastic. It doesn't tell you specifically ants on here until you get down. It'll tell you carpenter ants and termicide and things like that. But when you get down into the label, you'll notice that it does carpenter bees, it does different types of beetles, it does different types of turf insects. So you guys out there with golf courses and landscapers that have bugs that are tearing up the plants, this has a plethora of different bugs that'll work on the turfs and on the ornamentals. Also, it can be used indoors, and it's way more bang for your buck. Now, you guys know Taurus. Well, maybe you don't know. Taurus is by Controlled Solutions. This is also by Controlled Solutions. So you know you can stand by this product. They stand by the product because it's a fantastic product that most of you professionals have used out there. The other thing with the Dominion, it uses a really low dose. So it goes like 0.03 on up from there. But I think the highest it goes is like 0.01 per gallon of water. And you can mix this it's tolerant with other pesticides. You want to check and make sure, but you can use this stuff with like Tempo SC and many other ones. So if you need to mix it and get like a concoction going, it's fantastic for that. What else does Dominion do? Let's talk about the termicides and going after termites. Let's talk specifically Subterranean. Gets this question a lot. The easiest way to remember this for trenching around the perimeter of a structure for subs, guys, this is how I remember it. 10-4-6-6. So what does that mean? It's 10 linear feet. It's 4 gallons of diluted solution, which I just told you is really low. I think for the low solution of subs, this is 0.05. And then if it's extreme, it's up to that 0.01. But the norm is going to be the 0.05. So we've covered the 10-4, 10 linear feet, 10 gallons of solution. It's 6 inches wide, the trench, 6 inches deep. Now, if you need to rod into that too, you guys that do termite jobs, you know what rodding is. If you don't even worry about it. You're probably going to hire somebody. But you need to rod down a little deeper. That's fine. You just can't go below the footings of the structure. But as far as perimeter spray for ants, you can go around the perimeter of a building. You can also go inside, and you can do perimeter. You can do spot, crack, and crevice. This will also take care of your carpenter bees, your carpenter ants, and many other bugs on there. This label just goes on and on and on. So everything from in a structure, on a structure, to out in the turf and the ornamentals, golf courses, you name it. You can't put this in places where sod factories, where they're making grass and sod. So it has a couple restrictions like that. But I mean, for the most who cares? You don't have sod factories or sod plants. But that's Dominion 2L. That's why I love this product. Give yourself options. Don't just stick to one. Termitor, Taurus. Have this as a backup too for the ants and for the termites. So Craig at howtopest.com. If you have any questions on Dominion, just reach out to us. We're happy to answer those. Thank you again, guys, for subscribing to our channel. Like and share that with your friends. It really helps us out. And those of you that have checked out our Bourbon and Bugs episode, where we kind of just sit back and just joke, have a bourbon, scotch, and we just talk about the bug of the day. Thank you for the likes on that. It's really taken off. So hopefully we'll just keep bringing you more and more of those. And thank you for liking the video and sharing that also. But that's it, guys. Craig at howtopest.com. And take care. We'll see you next time.